How to find function values. What is a function value? A function value is a rule that takes an input and gives an output. In this video, let's look at these three values, and we're going to input these values into these two equations, f of x. If f of x equal to x minus 4 and g of x equal x squared minus 4x, find 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let's start with the first problem. How do we find function values? Well, our first step is we need to substitute the x for the given value f of 4. So wherever you see an x, you have to substitute it with 4. Now, we're going to input this 4 into this equation, and let's see what it gives us. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 4, that will be 4. So f of 4, when we input this into the equation, we get out 4. Now, let's do the other example, but this time is g of x. So let's substitute 2 wherever we see a variable of x. So the first one, we need to square the 2, and 2 times 2 will be 4. And now 4 times 2, that will be 8, and 4 minus 8 will give us negative 4. So g of 2 inputted into the function g of x equal x squared minus 4x gave us negative 4. Now, let's look at problem number 3. We're going to substitute the variable x for negative 5. So let's rewrite negative 5 wherever we see the variable x. Next, we're going to distribute 2 to negative 5, and that will give us negative 10 minus 4. And whenever we add two negatives, we're basically adding. So negative 4 plus negative 10 will give us negative 14. Now, this is how you find function values, and if you want more problems on how to find function values, please let me know down in the comments.